Welcome to today's tutorial on how to embroider with a sewing machine. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewist, adding beautiful embroidery to your projects can elevate them to a whole new level. Step 1. Set up your machine. Make sure your sewing machine is threaded and ready to go. Attach an embroidery foot if you have one, otherwise, a regular presser foot will work just fine. Step 2. Choose your design. Select a design or pattern you'd like to embroider. You can find pre-made designs or create your own. Transfer the design onto your fabric using a water-soluble pen or tailor's chalk. Step 3. Hoop your fabric. Place your fabric in an embroidery hoop. This keeps the fabric taut and prevents wrinkles. Tighten the hoop securely. Step 4. Adjust stitch settings. Set your sewing machine to a straight stitch or a zigzag stitch for free motion embroidery. Adjust the stitch length and tension as needed. Step 5. Embroider away. Follow the design lines with your sewing machine. Take it slow and steady, especially if you're new to embroidery. If you're doing free motion embroidery, drop the feed dogs and move the fabric freely under the needle. Step 6. Finishing touches. Once you've completed your embroidery, trim any loose threads. Gently remove the fabric from the hoop. Admire your beautiful creation. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.